Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, your name. Happy birthday to you. And many more. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play Happy Birthday on the good old uke. The reason why we're doing this one is because a lot of you obviously have birthdays, which makes total sense, but also because today, June 28th, is my birthday. Today is my birthday, and I thought, you know what better way than to teach you the happy birthday song on the uke. So this is going to be super simple. It's going to be a little bit different than my regular tutorials because those are usually a little bit longer because they involve more chords and strumming patterns, but we're going to get into this super quick. So I'm going to move over and I'm going to put the visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke. So the first chord that we need is the A chord. And how we're going to play this one, as you can see on screen, you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. And that is the A chord. The next string is the D chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to go over the 4th and 3rd string on the 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place it on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. And the last chord that we need for this song is the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. So those are the 3 chords that we need for this song. Again, if you do need a little bit more time just getting comfortable with the finger positioning for each chord, make sure to press the pause button right now. But if you feel comfortable and you feel like you got it on lock, let's go ahead and talk about the strumming. So the strumming is going to be a super easy island strum, which is going to be down, down, up, up, down, up. So let's do that one more time in 3, 2, 1, down, down, up, up, down, up. Let's do that one more time in 3, 2, 1, down, down, up, down, up. So each chord in the song is going to get that one strumming pattern, but at the end of the song when it goes happy birthday to you, it's going to go from a D to happy birthday, and then you're going to do one strum down for the A minor, 2, and then D, U, another strum down. So again, it's going to go D, A, and then D. So again, if you speed that up, it's going to be happy birthday to you. And if you don't feel comfortable with strumming just yet, if you just started playing and you want to sing happy birthday to your family member, your friends, whoever, you can always just do down strum. So whenever you see the chord change on the lyrics, it could be like happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear, your name, happy birthday to you. So literally you can just do down strumming and it'll sound just as awesome. But yeah, that is it. Again, this is a super different tutorial because 1, it's my birthday and I can do whatever I want, and 2, it's a super simple song with 3 chords and you can really just play it however you want to play it, with the strumming or with the down strumming, all super awesome. So congratulations, you now know how to play Happy Birthday on the good old uke. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video. Yeah, today is my birthday. If it is your birthday and it's not June 28th and you're watching this in the future and it's your birthday, happy birthday. I really appreciate you watching this and you learning the happy birthday song, because I feel like this is such a worldwide song that everybody kind of just has to eventually know. If you do play the uke, happy birthday is a must. So happy birthday to you, wherever and whenever you're watching this. I really do appreciate you hanging out with me for my birthday. So let's leave some happy birthdays in the comments for me and for you watching. Let's spread some happy birthday joy. And again, this uke is the Klos Tenor carbon fiber uke. It is absolutely amazing. It is a beast. It is super sturdy. So all the information for that will be linked in the description if you want to go check this out. This is a beast of a uke and the sound is really cool. I actually just got this in the mail a little bit ago, so I'm still really playing around with it. But honestly, so far, I absolutely love it. So again, thank you Klos for sending me this uke. This is their tenor size. I think this is a prototype, so I don't know. It might not even been out yet, but again, super cool. Thank you for hanging out with me for these few minutes, and happy birthday to you again. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to everybody, and I really appreciate you being here. Let's go celebrate our birthday with some cake. I actually like ice cream cake the best. I don't really like cake very much, but I like ice cream cake. I don't know if you can tell. I enjoy my ice cream cake. But thank you again for hanging out. I'll see you in my next video, in a full tutorial video. But yeah, make sure to leave a like and go watch my other videos if you want. I'll leave a playlist right up here, so you can go check out some of the most popular TikTok songs or a lot of my other popular videos that I uploaded here on YouTube. Yeah, 1 year older, but definitely not wiser. Goodbye. I don't know what that was. I'm a child.